Stem stitch is used for outline, straight lines, as well as curves, and it is used for filling. I'm drawing shape that will help to show different possibilities. Variegated pearl cotton, embroidery needle, and knot on the end. Come up from the starting point and pull until knot hits the fabric. Make short stitch following the line, pull down and leave a loop. Come up in the middle of the stitch, make second short stitch, and leave a loop. Come up through the entry point of previous stitch and pull until thread lies on fabric. You can make stitches with sewing method, hold fabric in 2 points and pull. Result is the same. Sewing method is a little bit faster. But I prefer poking. With more strands and shorter stitches, the line will be thicker. And vice versa. Less strands and longer stitches will create thin line. To make sure the line will be as thick in the corner, make final stitch very short. And repeat. Make short stitch, come up in the middle, make short stitch, and come up through the entry point of previous stitch. And repeat. On the curves I made shorter stitches and line looks thicker, longer stitches, thinner line. For the filling, I just make more rows, following the shape of the figure I'm filling. I'll show fully filled shapes on finished embroideries. The first project I want to show is Sveti Stefan. I made wavy lines with long stem stitch. To make it more wobbly, I came up not through the middle line, but through the lower third of the stitch. It's a free pattern with video tutorial here on my channel. Water in City Embroideries is made with stem and split stitches. Stem stitch creates the appearance of water movement. Marrakesh, Paris, Prague, Dubrovnik, Copenhagen. In the October I used stem and seed stitches for the foliage. For the flowers pattern I used stem stitch to create flower petals. And of course stem stitch makes great stems. Links to the patterns and supplies are in the description. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe and hit the like. I have a lot of stitch tutorials on the channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.